Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Gel X surface. File lightly, buff to smooth, and remove dust with a lint-free brush. Once done, clean the nail with 70% plus alcohol to eliminate oils. This helps stickers adhere. Next, apply a very thin gel base layer and cure for 10 to 30 seconds, just enough tack to grab the sticker. Make sure to have tweezers and stickers at hand so you can place each sticker immediately versus fumbling mid-step. You now place the sticker. Peel it using tweezers so you don't contaminate the adhesive. Position the sticker lightly on the nail. Press the center first and smooth outward to avoid wrinkles. If small air pockets form, use a silicone tool or orange stick wrapped in lint-free wipe to press them out and push adhesive to edges. Once positioned, trim any overhang with a small nipper and file gently at the free edge. This creates a seamless bond between sticker and Gel X. You finish by sealing the sticker. Apply a thin non-wipe gel top coat over the entire nail, making sure edges are fully covered, and cure for the manufacturer's full time. Once cured, assess adhesion. If needed, buff lightly and apply a second thin top coat, then cure again to create a durable finish. If you notice lifting later, sanitize the edge, lift just enough to apply a drop of gel under the edge, press firmly and cure. This repairs without redoing the whole nail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.